Today we're going to take a look at the BOSCH Self-Leveling Cross-Line Laser Level GLL30. This device is useful for a wide range of do-it-yourself home projects where straight and level lines are required. Let's take a look at what's inside the box. First of all, we have the flexible mounting device. We also have the laser level itself. And of course, we have the operating and safety instructions manual. We recommend that you take a look at this manual to better understand the device and the safety precautions. Let's take a look at the level. On the back here we have the battery compartment. This device takes 2 AA batteries, which should be included. On the bottom, there's a tripod mount, which allows you to attach the level to the flexible mounting device or a camera tripod. If you don't have a tripod of your own, you can check one out through our library of things. On the front here, we have the laser window, where the laser comes from. And on the side, of course, we have the on-off switch, which operates the laser. Let's take a look at the flexible mounting device. First, we have the screw head, where we can attach it to the laser level. We have the locking screw, which moves the arm and will also tighten it in place. And we have the fastening screw, which will open and close the fastening arm and will allow you to secure the device to a table or even the step of a ladder. To attach the level to the flexible mounting device, simply twist it on like so. You can adjust the arms the way that you need them, and now it's ready to be attached. To fasten the flexible mounting device, simply slide it on the surface you want to attach it to and twist the fastening screw until it's tight. You can then adjust the laser level so it's more upright and tighten the locking screw to hold it in place. Turn the device on and allow 4 or 5 seconds for it to calibrate and find the level. Once the device settles, you now have both horizontal and vertical lines that are straight and level. Check out our library of things for more tools, gadgets, and tech that you can borrow with your Skokie Public Library card. Happy learning!